No, I have burger.
Who may take this order?
Can I please give my food? I'm literally food 1. Take order.
No, give me that!
Lumabas ako.
Yes! Nakalabas ka?
Oo, nakalabas ako dun sa window. Just let me give food number 1. Ayaw ko na to hawakan na food number 1. Food number 3.
Wait, I wanna go out inside.
Yeah! Nakalabas! Pasok ka ulit! Pupunta ka dyan! Pasok ka! Papa! Dito tao sa labas! Papa! Dito tao sa labas! Marga?
I'm scared!
Marga, tingnan mo yung screen ko. Papa! Labas ka dito! Ako! Papa! Labas ka dito! No, I'm going inside. No!
Take an order! Take an order! Let's go out! Let's go out!
Check it out in the bathroom. Ay, lalabas tayo.
No! Paano ako?
Pasok ulit. Doon ka sa, mag-ikot ka. Umikot ka. Pumunta ka doon sa
May tao dun! Why is she blocking it?
Tigo. Meron dyan tao.
Yeah.
Meron dyan tao.
Opo! Help me! Punta kayo sa pinto.
Kailangan ba talaga pupunta doon? Papa, ikaw muna. Pupunasat ka.
Dali!
Dapat makakuha tayo ng
Okay,
rat.
I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go to my house.
Punta. Papa, ba't mo nila nakita? Ay, nawala. Okay, punta na tayo sa banyo. Let's get that rat.
Banyo.
Okay, nasan yung daga? Ito! I see you, daga.
I got a dead rat.
Okay, but can I give the food 1? Kasi ayaw ko na ito
I'm
hawakan.
gonna give this food.
Ang hirap naman yung opening this.
Okay, this is your food for.
Give rat. Ito, pinag ko, mistake yun.
What the
Ba't mo
heck?
siya binigyan ng rat? Sinabi niya food 4. Nasaan ang food 4?
Okay, I
Bigla lang
don't
dito.
have Wala.
Ay, nasaan?
Food 8?
Food 8? May customer order.
Hey, don't leave me here.
Mali tayo! Akin na lang! Akin na lang, matadrat. Mali tayo. Ito, trash.
Can I have a dead rat? What the heck?
I have a trash bag.
Take the trash outside to the dog.
Can someone, come with me?
Oh, ako.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Everybody's gonna come with you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Sige.
Okay, nasa na dumpster?
Dun. I just, nakita
Where?
ko yun eh.
Where?
Nag-ano ko. Follow me!
Confused ako sa mga tao. The same person tayo eh. Scared.
Dapat morning shift tayo eh. Who signed up for this is Pau Pau.
No, nga si Pau Pau. It's your fault, Pau Pau.
Yeah.
So scared. Dito. Dito ko talaga. Ba't ka may chicken?
Why did you have a chicken? I think he fried it in.
OMG, gift ba yan para sa amin? Sige, pahingi.
Oh my god, get mop.
Take customer order.
I'm scared getting out there.
Can I do it? Oh, never mind. Did you put the chicken?
What is wrong?
Okay, kunin natin yung mop.
I have a mop.
Okay,
In the bathroom.
mops, okay.
Why did we sign up for the night shift?
No, ba't tayo night shift
Oh my
instead
god,
of
look!
morning shift?
What the heck?
OMG, ang rami naman dito. Did someone pee on the floor? Customer order. Okay, speed run. Oh no! No! I'm not doing that! No! Ikaw na lang random person. Ba't ka nag-moonwalk? Ayaw ko na lumabas. Kayo na lang.
Chloe, labas ka na lang! Hindi, wait! Labas tayong lahat. That solves the solution. We're gonna die.
Okay, let's go.
We're both gonna die.
Let's all die. Let's go.
If we're one person gonna die, we're gonna die. Oy! Ano to?
Oh, ayun yung car niya.
Help me!
Nakikita ko yung person. Ayun yung kaninang person sa door.
They're moonwalking.
Na!
Help!
Ano yung person? Black. Oh, na! Oh, na!
They're moonwalking.
What's happening to you guys? Oh my gosh, ayun yung lalaki. Popo, ikaw na. You're the brave one.
Oh, nag-glitch ako. Naglago ko!
Matay ka pa? Hindi, that's just... Okay, mag-like kayo sa kanya. Mag-like kayo sa kanya.
It's just...
Nawala na siya. Nawala na siya pala. Dapat pala, hindi mo lang gagawin. Pumunta pati si Popo sa kanya.
Escape from maximum security prison is still on the loose. If you have any information, contact the police.
Nasaan yung cellphone ninyo? Contact na natin yung police. Contact na natin yung police. Day 3. Ano?
I'm scared!
Yan nga yung freezer. Yan nga yung freezer. Ay, ang marami. Okay, we got this, guys. Spider killer. Go. Oh my God, no. Oh no, pumasok.
This got me going. This got me. And he's like, oh, I did not Lock the door!
Nakalock na, feeling ko nakalock